Meaning of ennui.
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 Ennui. Ennui is a French term that refers to a feeling of boredom or listlessness often brought on by a lack of stimulation or excitement in one's life. The experience of ennui may lead to feelings of lethargy, apathy, and disinterest in one's surroundings. It may also lead individuals to seek out new experiences, such as travel or adventure, in an effort to alleviate their boredom. Overall, ennui can be a difficult state of mind to endure, but it can also serve as a catalyst for personal growth and change.